Hey parents, so this is the PBS Kids Playtime Pad Plus. This is a 7-inch HD kid-safe tablet plus live TV. I just bought this today. I did so much research. There are so many kids tablets out there nowadays, like your head will go spinning. There's just so many. But this is for my 1.5-year-old. While I do prefer him to read books or actually play, which he usually does, there's times that I give him a screen. So the few amount of times that I actually do give him a screen, or should I say the short amount of times that I give him a screen, I want to make sure it's 100% kid friendly, and I want to make sure that he's getting at least somewhat of an educational experience on it. So I decided to go with this. Another reason that I went with this is it wasn't expensive. Where I got it was only $79, and I bought the protection plan because when you have a little one, even though I usually don't buy these, the few dollars for a protection plan is worth it for 2 years. So I ended up getting that too. But you see right here, subscription free, no in-app purchases. When you don't have tons of money, like little app purchases or little fees, just even monthly, they can add up. So I really, really like this. So I'm going to read the box. I just like to do that. I like to read the whole box. But right here, they can watch their favorite characters on the 24/7 live channel, built-in stream. You see here it says COPPA certified, kid safe, secure, ages 2 to 10. I feel like this definitely is for a younger audience because I have a 6.5-year-old and I wasn't sure if I should get this for her. I was kind of contemplating. So after I actually look at it and go through it, I'll decide if I think that it's good for her as well. #1 educational media brand for children, helps kids build the skills they need to succeed in school and life. And you can see down here there is a list of the shows. I recognize a lot of these, not all of them, but we have a couple of our favorites on here, of course. All right, and let me show you the back. Okay, here we have literacy, creativity, math, music, social skills, science, and reading. And it's through the Google Play Store, so you can access over 1 million apps and games, thousands of movies and books, and millions of songs. There are parental controls, approve or block installed apps, and customize what is allowed for each child's profile. Educational content, award-winning, curriculum-based, developed with early childhood experts, and hours of free entertainment. 60+ PBS Kids games and videos, and live TV featuring your kids' favorite PBS Kids characters. Okay, this side of the box just says live TV, ready to play. Watch your favorite PBS Kids characters live 24/7. New, simpler navigation. Just click on your favorite character to find games, clips, even select full episodes, and this purchase helps support PBS Kids. And I'm going to show you the specs on this side. Bear with me, guys. I'm sorry to show you all this if you don't want to see it, but I was looking for it, so I think maybe one other person probably wants to know this. So the tablet specs are Playtime Mode 2.0, Android 8.1 Go Edition, 7-inch HD 1024 by 600 screen, front and back cameras, download apps and games from the Google Play Store, 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor, dedicated GPU, Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi, 1 gigabyte of RAM, 16 gigabyte flash memory, formatted capacity will be less, micro SD card slot, which is nice, USB connection, kid-friendly, kid-safe, parental controls, durable design. And what's in the box is the tablet silicone case, user manual, warranty card, USB cable, wall charger, and CYA warranty card. Okay, so this is what it looks like right out of the box. Attention parents, you must set up the PBS Kids Playtime Pad before your child can use it. Allow several minutes for initial boot up. Wi-Fi required. Okay, I did charge a little bit, but right out of the box it was about 70-some% already charged. It did come with this detachable base and a cord. The cord I would say is about 3 feet long. Okay, just took the case off. I just wanted to show it to you. It's completely detachable. It just slips right in. Okay, and there are just ports and buttons on one side of this tablet. You see from left to right here is the power button the SD card slot, the headphone jack, the USB, and then you have the volume up and down. What is this? Oh, that's the microphone. And there is a reset. Right there is a reset button. You see right there. Oh, and I want to show you here for the camera too. I didn't want to take it off because I wanted to show in the video. But if your camera's a little bit blurry, you can see this because I just tried to take it off. But if the camera's a little bit blurry, it doesn't look like there's any film on this. But if you go like this, there really is film on the camera. So that could be the reason why your pictures are a little blurry. Okay, so this is the first time setting it up. Hi there, English. Yes, English. Let's see what the other options are. Oh, we have Espanol. Oh, we have a whole list of languages. Look at this. A whole list. Well, that's good. Okay. So we are obviously going to select English. Start. Down there it says vision settings. Okay, so we're going to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, meet your Google Assistant. No, thank you. We can meet later, possibly. Google Services, back up to Google Drive. No, I don't need to do that. Let's see here. Back up to Google Drive. No. Help apps find location. No. Improve location accuracy. No. Send usage and diagnostic data. No. Install updates and apps to accept. Okay. Anything else? Add another email account. Control info on lock screen. So I will do that. Show all notification content. Hide sensitive. We don't need to show any. Not that I'm getting anything specific. Okay, done for now. Just adding the finishing touches. Alright guys, so we're going to create a PIN code. Again, do not tell anybody, okay? I'm just going to make it the same as my Google, which is a secret. Create kid profile. Nickname. Nickname. Okay. Alright guys, now it's asking me to choose an avatar. You can see you can choose a crown, rainbow, hearts, princess, cheese. You can choose cheese as your avatar. Apple, carrot, clover, flower, ladybug, chicken, butterfly, cheetah, bee, dog, cat, dinosaur, pig, robot, pinata, unicorn, frog, dolphin, train, tractor. These are interesting. Airplane or bus. I think... Well, my little one likes trains, and my little one likes dinos, so I'm going to pick a train. Okay, guys, I showed you most of the setup there, and after all of that, this is the screen you get to. You see it says My Apps Live TV. In the bottom left there, it says Grown Ups, and it's really cute because over here, the kid can kind of just spin it, and then they can pick their favorite show. All the Grown Ups button does is it allows you to add more profiles, and then of course you see the My Apps and the Live TV. So I'm going to click on My Apps so you can see what it is. You got Watch Videos, you have Play Games, PBS Kids, Scratch Junior, Play and Learn Science, and Fruit Punch. These are really cute little games. I'm not going to click on them, but just so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm going to go back home. And then I'm going to click on Live TV. Oh no, there is internet. Alright guys, let me check my internet. Okay, so this is when you click on Live TV. It comes to this. And it's just loading because we just don't have very good internet. But if you have very good internet, you don't have to worry about it loading like this. And even with my bad internet, it actually doesn't load that long. And when it does start to play, there's really not that much buffering. Again, that's just because my internet, if you have good internet, you don't even have to worry about the buffering. So it's loading, and then you can see right here it says Live TV, and again the kid gets to scroll. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Well, I just clicked one of them, but you can go back, click that. Okay, and then you can just go through The kid can click what they want to click. They can actually see live TV here, like you see on the screen, or they can actually click it. There's also a bunch of videos that they can watch. If you just push over, you can see that there's different videos. Some are full episodes, some are just clips. So if you know your kid, oh, my kid really likes this first episode, you can keep playing the first episode over and over. Or again, you have the option for live TV, or you can even, like I said, watch some of these clips. Okay guys, I also wanted to show you, if you click this little tab up here, you can see it changes the background, you see? So you do have the ability to change the background. I actually didn't know that at first. So that is cute. Alright guys, I also wanted to show you, if you scroll from the bottom, you see the volume and a few other controls. And if you scroll from the top, you can see the time. And then you have Bluetooth, you have the Wi-Fi that you can connect to, etc. Okay guys, and if you want to download other apps and get out of this, you would go ahead and click Grown-ups. You would put in your passcode if you have one. Then it comes to edit kids profiles. Up here in the top right, you see exit kids mode. We just click on exit kids mode, and then it comes up to go back to the PBS Kids Playtime or launcher. So you would click launcher, and there you go. Now you can access the internet. You see Google Chrome's already installed. You can go back to PBS Kids, there's the camera, there's settings, or you can go to the Google Play Store. When you go to the Google Play Store, obviously you can download things. I already went ahead and made sure that YouTube Kids was on here, and you can see you can install YouTube Kids. And guys, this is where the memory comes in, like the SD card that you would put in. So if you're going to do a lot of apps, obviously that comes in handy, because this obviously doesn't have unlimited memory. Alright guys, so I hope you liked the video. Also, just to throw in, and I did not actually know this, but if you have just a regular iPhone or Android phone, like a spare phone you want to give your kid, you can download the PBS Kids app, and then that live TV section, it's all there. Alright guys, and just to show you one more thing, this is just a regular old iPhone. It's my old iPhone that I gave to my little one. It doesn't have any signal on it or anything. You can see it's just connected to Wi-Fi. And you can, whether it's an Android phone and you're going to the Google Play Store, or it's an iPhone and you're going to the App Store, on both systems, the PBS Kids video app is available, and also the PBS Kids games is available. And when you click on it, I actually did not know this. I don't know why I didn't know this. But if you click on it, it's pretty much the same thing as the PBS Kids tablet. You'll see here, look, as soon as you pull it up, it's live TV. Okay, and I'm going to click on PBS Games. And yeah, look, it's pretty similar to it on the PBS Kids tablet. So, hi buddy. So that's my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you share and subscribe.